Hi, this is David with Flex Innovations. I'm out here to show you our latest product, the FV-31 Cypher. This is going to be a game changer in the VTOL market, or vertical takeoff and landing. This one happens to feature EDFs, so it's 4 ducted fans. The back 2 are used all the time for forward flight and for the hover modes, and the fronts are used only for the hover modes and the transition. So basically, what you have here is a flight controller called the F3, which is based on Betaflight. You can configure some things with the Betaflight configurator, and it's the brains behind the operation. It's compatible with all the radios. So right now it has a Spectrum in it, but any radio brand that has a digital feed or a serial data feed or a PPM stream is compatible with the Cypher. So you have things like the Futaba S-Bus, Jetty EX bus, High-Tech now has S-Bus receivers, Spectrum, Graupner SUMD, you name it, about every brand has product available that's going to fly it, which is a great feature, so no matter what radio brand you fly, you can enjoy this. You're going to get 3 flight configurations. So we're going to go right now to what we call the forward flight configuration. And this is, you can do conventional takeoffs and landings, but mostly you're going to fly forward in this mode on the wing using the elevons and so forth for control. Now if we go to the other extreme, you're going to have the what we call the hover mode. This is the really vertical hover, stationary over the ground, suitable for light winds, vertical takeoffs and landings. And you can yaw and spin and do different maneuvers in the hover mode. And then what really sets this apart from all the other products on the market and out there is the 45 mode, or what we call the magic mode. Basically, this allows you to hover, but while moving forward up to maybe 14 or 15 miles an hour. So if you have a headwind, a breeze, if you want to fly a traffic pattern, it's stall-proof, it's hovering, it will not drop a wing or anything, it'll fly very slow, but also be able to penetrate the wind and everything. So in addition to those 3 flight configurations, we have 2 flight profiles, which are switchable from the transmitter. So you have the traditional aerobatic mode to where there's no restrictions, you fly free, but then you also have basically a wing leveler mode to where if you let go of the stick, the wings come back to level. Good for beginners and people doing their first transitions, or people that might not have flown fixed wing before, to have that mode available as well. So we also have the steerable nose wheel and the landing gear, which gives you a really nice access to taxiing out and not having to walk it out to the runway. A minute about batteries. Right here we have kind of what we might call our favorite battery. This is a 3S 3500 75C, and obviously it's run on 3S. It's really compatible with 3Ss from 2200 to 5200 and beyond. Now we will say our 3500 is our favorite. Really we prefer the batteries 2600 to say 4000. In that range, they give you the most flight time, the most consistent power, and so look for those kind of batteries for your Cypher, and hope you get to see it fly later. Thanks.